Happy birthday ate! Namiss ko kayo. Nakakamiss. Thank you sa pagdalaw sa amin dito sa Arkansas. We've been blessed. We are very blessed because I have ates na mababait. Thank you Ate Nel, Ate May, Ate Lina, Ate Son. Happy birthday to our Ate May. She is the strongest person in our family. Just keep going. We are just here for you. And keep on fighting. God is good. God is with you to protect and to guide you wherever you go. And I love you. Thank you so much for everything. O, diba? Kasweet-sweet nila, oh. Walang tulog yung kapatid ko na yan. Salamat sa pagpunta sa Arkansas at sa pagphotoshoot ni RJ. O, ang dami niyang photographer, oh. O, diba? Thank you so much.